Hey guys, Sean here from OlightStore.com, and today we're showing you the brand new release for today, which is the I1R EOS. So this is a part of our EOS line, which is our value keychain style light line. And you can see here that even though it's pretty low in cost, we still have our super premium packaging, similar to our new light offerings like the M2T in this white packaging with an outline of the light on the front. All right, so in order to open this up, there's a little pull tab here on the back. So I'll go ahead and pull this and open it up. All right, and there's a quick README here, and what this is when you open up the light, since it's rechargeable, for shipping purposes, it's gonna have this little yellow tab in between the head and the body of the light. So definitely take that out when you first get the light. You can see here as well, this is the micro USB port. So whenever you wanna charge this light, you're gonna have to unscrew the head from the body and plug in your micro USB cable, and it comes with a micro USB cable, but you can use any one that you have laying around the house. Most people have 20 of them. And when it's charging, there's gonna be a little LED indicator that shows here on the white top, and it'll be red when it's charging, and then it'll switch to green when it's fully charged. All right, so we'll go ahead and screw this back down. It's got an O-ring in between here too to make it waterproof. And the way that it works is, here it is at off. You tighten it a little bit to get to the 5 lumen mode, and then you tighten it a little bit more, and that'll get you to the 130 lumen mode. Okay, so there's 2 modes, and you can rock back and forth just by tightening it or untightening it. And then to turn it off, you just untighten it a little bit more. And it's still very secure with that O-ring, so it's not like it's gonna unscrew or anything like that while it's a little bit untightened in the off position. But again, turn it a little bit to get to 5 lumens, a little bit more for 130. It's that simple, okay? And again, just unscrew the head completely, give it a charge when you need to, and that's pretty much it. That's how it works. It comes with a nice little loop here for your keys. Okay, and then also, here's the back side of the packaging. It comes with a nice flat cable, micro USB cable with a little cover here on the USB side. Okay, this light comes in at a little over 1.5 inches long, and I'll bring in here one of our most popular lights, the i3E, and you can see just how short it is compared to the i3E. And it's about 40 lumens more than the i3E. So you're getting 130 lumens instead of 90. And also you're getting, you know, about 2/3 of the size of the i3E. And these are coming in at $16.99. So it's an incredible deal. $16.99, you're getting 130 lumens, 2 modes. So definitely check these out at OlightStore.com because they are on sale and shipping right now. Okay, we're in the back of the warehouse here. I just wanted to show you what the 5 lumen and 130 lumen mode looks like. So I'll go ahead and twist it, and there's your 5 lumens. So even though it's only 5 lumens, I mean, this is still quite impressive. It still has a really big, nice looking hotspot there to where you can really find anything you're looking for only with this 5 lumen mode. And then let's twist it a little bit more, and you can just see how impressive that 130 lumen mode is. And again, you have a real nice big hotspot and a lot of flood coming off of that hotspot as well. So we'll go back, there's 5 lumens, and then here's 130 lumens. It's just absolutely incredible what's coming out of this light. And again, definitely go to OlightStore.com to pick one of these up for yourself and for all of your friends because they're only $16.99. Great, thanks a lot.